What's good, everybody? What's fucking good? Alright, alright, alright. Let's just that shit. Alright! I'll be right back. I gotta text a couple people. These are the people I just texted, like, not on Roblox. You know? I'm in your city tonight, and tonight. I don't know, I was just checking out new games, so I don't really play these. I just play these two. Other than that, I was just checking out games. What is this? Checking out new games. Click! Crazy. Free pets tapping adventures. Oh, really? Hi there, handsome. It's crazy how my balance is 0. In the past years, I've spent a lot of Robux. Actually, no, I haven't. I just buy a big load of Robux at one time, and then I'm done for a long time. Tapping adventures. Let's try it out. Hey, I want to hear trombone. Gotcha. Backyard friends at the door again. You're back. Oh, damn, I'm gonna have to be back again. Is that honey bun? I forgot I had the honey bun. Let me find a soft surface. Come on, computer. Other computer. I'm gonna use this computer as a mouse pad. It's crazy. And it does not want to work because what it is made out of. I'm trying to back. The back works, yeah. Alright, where the recording go? Back. It's about 2 minutes. Check out the videos. You know. I don't like you, everybody. What is this? What is this? Under the play button is your slot. You can have up to 3 different data slots. I got another message. I'll be right back. Time I try to play the video, bro. She texted again. It's crazy. I told my girlfriend. Put on a song, and she did it. Not in the group. I'll join the group right now, bro. Bro, freaking test me, dude. Let me pause it so it don't show my certain stuff. I had to pause it because what tab I had it on, you know. Yeah, well, what's wrong with this? Currently looking for testers. If you like to be one, join the community and DM me. I got you, bro. Check out. I'll DM you right now. Actually, message. Come on, man. Message. Can't message you. I have my settings changed to I can message anyone. Fucking shit. I'll have to unask somebody. I would feel bad on adding her, but where is her character? I need to sad my passed away. Shut your ass up. I'm gonna add you. If you add me back, I'll add you back. Crazy. This bitch don't even add me. Add this guy. So I can become a tester, but you know, testers get Robux. He didn't say what's the DM in on though, so I don't, you know. Isn't it usually like Discord or something? I don't have Discord, so got another fucking message. If you like to join the community and DM me. Is there any chat? Oh. I bought a Game Pass. But it didn't. Why would you buy Game Pass, you stupid bitch? You can't call the game trash because you got scammed. My friend Mert put a lot of time into this work. I can't use code purple, so bad. Who puts Robux into a game like this? Come on, bro. It's not even. It's not that it's not gonna work. It's just why put Robux into a game like this? Don't be lazy. Grind. These are games that are meant for you to earn money on. Like, what are you doing? Grind. Fucking weirdo. Hate that shit. Cheating the system. Purple dragon. Drow. Nigga typing codes into the chat. Bluefin. So I remember it. Bluefin, purple, dragon, and one. Well, use code welcome and welcome. These codes in right now. To go here. Purple. Over the. What did that say? Well, I'm gonna type again and see if it pops up. No, it didn't pop up. I don't know what it did. It did. I don't care. Let's on to the next code. Dragon. I know it doesn't say dragon. Okay, 4 means dragon. Got an egg, I guess. Oh. Hey, now for blue. Then I got it. I got this lag. I will soon get my reward. What did I say? Of course she doing. Was that her? Or was that just the guy that I was running? Excuse me, who are you? I don't know where. I don't know where the cop from. Just told me, bruh, why ain't the codes working, man? This is annoying. I don't even need codes, but I want to. Where's my 1K? Where's the 1K, y'all? That feels gonna spray, y'all. Where's the 1K, y'all? It's crazy. I ain't even get my fucking money because this shit ass game. Fuck does the shop? What do I want from the shop? I wonder if they can spend Robux. Do something. You gotta pay for everything. Try again on this code, dude. Well, that ain't working. So click. Oh, that says I'm join. Whoa, already making the bank. Is this equipped? Oh, nope, it's not even equipped. So I equip it. Boom, pow, pop, speaks. Just I'm getting a ton of cash. But not really getting that much more cash. But oh my god, he's huge. Am I the only one with a pet, bro? I swear, if I walk up to this and it doesn't collect it, oh, it does collect it. So why is the money? Why ain't it giving it? Well, these chips suck my balls. Let me see what this is. Hold on, Twitter for get out of here. You don't even gotta follow the guy. You can just go to look at his account. It's crazy. I don't think anyone knew that. It's so crazy. Crazy right game. Why am I barely getting? Oh, there it goes. A little bit of lag, you know. Potions, come on. Damn, I don't walk up without even reading. 7. Oh, it shows how many clicks I did. Man, I already did 200 clicks. What's this? Robot's egg. Bruh. Now this game seems kind of dumb to me because 25k gems. Jesus. I look rich to you? 50 gems. Don't have gems. That's crazy, right? That's so crazy, right? Oh, I do have 50 gems. How? I think it was the code. Let's just open one. Of course, it doesn't. Can I open? You aren't able to purchase this egg at the fridge. Easily become rich, you know? Clicks for you automatically so you don't have to. The more you upgrade, the auto clear cost 1 trillion gems. Crazy. Crazy. Yeah, can I buy an upgrade? Bro, this game's gonna, for real, just get out of here, bro. Put the thumbs down this game right now. It's very annoying. I feel like it's because I'm kind of lagging. That's still, nah, ain't no kind of lagging. Like, plus 200 gems. If I was lagging, everyone would be moving slowly. Even my pet's not moving slowly. I doubt that I have enough, whatever I need to have to fight the boss. Strength, I guess. I'm about to fuck this dude up. You know what's good, bro? What's a move then? Am I dying? What the fuck is that? Oh, just walk up and flick. 500 clicks, huh? No freaking problem. I don't like this game. I'm gonna play my delivery game. Hold on, let me pause it just in case I was on my messages. Okay, I wasn't on my messages. It's cool, guys. It's cool. Be about your side. Psycho-like bitch. What shall we play today? You know, my friends be playing some good games sometimes. Like, yeah, I love Greenville, but, you know, we're gonna wait till later to whip that out, you know what I'm saying? That faggot out of me. This is the game I'll be playing a lot. Oh, 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 ouch, yes, oh, ouch, yes, 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 yes. I'm rich on this game, but it's on my other account. I'm very happy I have this verified. It's in the driver, you know, why not? It's crazy, I play all this. I want to see what this is, honestly. Cooking simulator. It's gay. It's fucking gay. Oh, oh, oh. Is that? Oh, I forgot I had my honeycomb right here. Yeah, give me that, man. And there's the ice. No, the glaze. I want the glaze. I'm sorry, I'm with my cousin. Sorry, all I can take is one bite. I don't know what's up with me and Switch right now. But, you know, I said I can only take one bite. Damn. Kick back the shoes and the flash feet. See the percentage of my laptop beach. Oh, I'll bring up the camera right now so you guys can see me. Psych.